Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in the guest room again, showing you two Craftsman garage door openers. They're both half horsepower. This one on the left side, is a chain drive. I will show you the model number on this one. Here is the model number. The model number is 139.53930DM, manufactured of March 8th of 2011. Now let's close the light cover. And this garage door opener on your right hand side, as shown in the video, it's not a chain drive, it's a belt drive. I'll show you the model number on this one. It kind of looks like a 139.53985 model. I really wanted that opener. It's the model number is the model number on this one is 139.53915 DM, manufactured of July 5th of 2013. Here, I might have to put my camera down because it's a little bit hard for me to close the light cover when it's not lifted. I am going to operate these two openers. I actually got this opener for my birthday this year. I actually got my 53930 for my birthday as well, but it was actually last year, 1 year before I got this opener. I actually got these openers during the same day as my birthday, but this one 1 year before this other one. This one is a belt drive garage door opener. I do have some I have several remotes to have this garage door opener programmed, and guess what? I got another craftsman remote. I found this on eBay. The model number is the same one, and it's also manufactured of 2010, but it was actually in September. The model number on this one is 139.18190, manufactured of September of 2010. And that one is also manufactured of 2010. It's also a 139.18190, but it was actually made 3 months before that remote. that I actually bought from eBay. Hold on, guys. Let me put my camera down for a second. I still have my keychain remote. I put some tape on there because the battery cover gets loose when the tape is not on there easily. If the tape easily gets loose, so that's why I thought it would be better to have this tape on the side and the other side, right next to that big button on this keychain remote. This one is the replica one. I'll use that one after I use those two rare craftsman remotes. I'm going to operate this garage door opener. I'll operate my 53930 a little bit later, okay? So let's go ahead and use this remote first, the one that already came in the mail. I actually bought this after that remote on they're both bought on eBay in used condition. Okay, now let's go ahead and use this remote. I programmed it to this opener. And I programmed the other one to this one as well. Now let's go ahead and use the 18190, and here we go. The motor is not too loud. It's a little bit quieter than my 53930, but my 53930 is not too loud. Okay, now let's do the closing with this remote, and here we go. Now let's go ahead and use this remote, and here we go. It's not very loud. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the closing with this remote, and here we go. Actually, let's do the safety sensor test. The opener lights blink 10 times to let you know that something is wrong with your safety sensors. If they're the opener lights blink 10 times to let you know that something is wrong with your safety sensors. If they're out of the alignment, or if they're blocked, or if the safety sensors quit working, or if the safety sensors died, but if the motor still works. That's why the opener lights blink 10 times to let you know. Okay, now let's go ahead and use the other unique remote, and here we go. There's some remotes that I'll show you. This remote that I put tape on there is 139.53752, manufactured of May 2006. It's actually it's actually I think it's 7 years older than this garage door opener. I got it working on, but I got this program to this garage door opener already before I bought this 139.18190 that I got from eBay. I got this one from Amazon, the replica remote. I'll use this remote after I use the replica remote. It kind of looks exactly like my my 53752 model. Okay, now let's go ahead and use the replica keychain remote, and here we go. There we go. Now let's go ahead and do the closing with this this keychain remote, and here we go. I'm using one of each remote to do the opening and the closing. Now let's go ahead and operate this garage door opener with the 53752, and here we go. It's not quite so loud. It does work pretty good. Now let's go ahead and do the closing with this keychain remote, and here we go. Come on. There we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and show you the these two replica remotes. It's 139.53753. Those remotes look cool. And these two remotes are in those two original remotes. They're both 139.53753 and they're both manufactured of July of 2013. They're both the same that comes with these two remotes. How many remotes did I program? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like I programmed 8 of these remotes. It does have a keypad. I'll do that in a little bit until I'm done with these. Actually, I'll do that last. The model number on the keypad is 139.53754-01. It's also manufactured in July of 2013. same year that these, that have, like, the original remotes. Okay, now let's go ahead and, use the, this, replica remote, the one that does not have the Craftsman logo, and here we go. Do the closing with this remote, and here we go. Okay, there's another replica remote, and yes, I'll operate the garage door opener, and here we go. Now let's go ahead and do the closing with this, this remote, and here we go. Now let's go ahead and, use those, two remotes, those two original remotes, and here we go. Now let's go ahead and use one final remote to operate this garage door opener, and here we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the closing with this remote, and here we go. Okay, I'm going to show you the motion detecting wall button. When you turn the opener light back off, when the detector is on, it'll automatically turn on when you're approaching to the garage. See? The opener lights turn on by itself when you're approaching towards your garage. In case if it gets dark outside, it does have a lock button. And when you try to operate your garage door opener with the remote, the opener lights will blink twice to let you know that you locked your garage door opener. In case if you're going on a long road trip, or if you're going somewhere far away from your home, or if you're going on a cruise ship, in case if you're not comfortable of having anyone opening your garage door, or even though if you're going out somewhere far away from your home, if you feel like that it's more safer to have your garage door opener be locked. And it does have a light button. I prefer using the light button in case if you're like entering the garage, if it's completely dark, in case if your garage door opener gets too dark, if the light switch is placed far away from the door, if it's like too far away from your door. So this is the thing that you may want next to the door to the garage. Okay, now let's go ahead and use the motion detecting wall button, and here we go. The motion detecting wall button kind of looks like the one for the just like for your 3/4 Craftsman chain drive garage door opener, like the 139.53990 model. Now let's go ahead and do the closing with this motion detecting wall button, and here we go. Okay, it does have a keypad. I already showed you the model number earlier. Now let's go ahead and operate this garage door opener one more time with the keypad, but I can't show you the code. Now let's go ahead and do one final close with the keypad. You don't need to put the code in when you're using this model for this keypad. Okay, now let's go ahead and give this garage door opener a break. And now I'm ready to do my 139.53930 Craftsman garage door opener. I know I put two unique LED light bulbs inside of my 139.53915 model. Now let's go ahead and give this garage door opener a break. So I don't think I've shown you my Craftsman half horsepower chain drive, my 139.53930 model. So this time I'm gonna use the Axis Master remote. The model number, I think it's 371 AC model. This was manufactured of November of 2010. And I still have my Chamberlain remote. It's a 950 CD remote. That's the model number. It was actually manufactured of 2010, but it was actually in February of 2010. In our old LiftMaster remote, my parents actually bought this remote when I was a young kid. My parents bought this remote when I was a little kid. But I can't quite remember what the model number is, except the manufacture date, because the label is wearing off too much. It does work on my 53930. The keypad is also a 139.53754-01, just like the other keypad that I showed you, but it was actually manufactured of January of 2012. Okay. It doesn't normally come with a premium wall button, but I prefer having it hooked onto this. I like it when it's hooked onto the 53930, because so that you can turn the opener light on or off. So that you can turn the opener light on or off without opening and closing your garage door opener. The lock button does work. It does have a lock button. I'm gonna use the old LiftMaster remote. Just like on the other garage door opener, on my other Craftsman half horsepower, it does blink twice. It does blink twice to let you know that you locked your garage door opener. Like I said, in case if you feel like that you wanted to keep your garage safe, if you want to in case if you are going out of town, if you're going away from your home for a while, or if you're going on a very, very long road trip, or if you're going on a cruise ship that's nowhere near your home, or any other types of faraway places. In case if you feel like that you want in case if you want to keep your garage safe. Okay, now let's go ahead and use the Axis Master remote first to operate my Craftsman 139.53930DM, and here we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the closing with the Axis Master remote, and here we go. Now let's go ahead and use the Chamberlain 950 CD remote. And here we go. Now let's go ahead and do the safety sensor check. I'll use the Chamberlain 950 CD, and I'll show you. The opener light blinks 10 times, just like on my my 53915DM. That's to, just like I said earlier, in case if your safety sensors are blocked or out of the alignment, or if the safety sensors are not working properly, or if they have died. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the closing with this Chamberlain 950 CD, and here we go. Now let's go ahead and use the LiftMaster remote, our old LiftMaster remote that my parents bought a long time ago when I was a kid. But I still can't quite remember what the model number is because the label is kind of wearing off a lot. But except the manufacture date. It was actually made in April of 2008. Man, that remote is 17 years old. Luckily, it's lasting a long life. Okay, now let's go ahead and use the old LiftMaster remote. And here we go. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the closing with the old LiftMaster remote. And here we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and use the keypad to operate the garage door opener, but I still can't show you the code. Whoops, let me try this again. There we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and operate this garage door opener one more time with the premium wall button, and here we go. Oh, I thought I did the closing already with the keypad, but I didn't. That's okay, we all make mistakes. Well, you don't need to put the code in while you're doing the closing. Let's operate the garage door opener one more time with the wall button, and here we go. Alright, now let's go ahead and do one final closing with this wall button, and here we go. Alright, that's all for right now. Alrighty, hope you enjoy this video of my 2 Craftsman garage door openers. But before I conclude the video, I'm going to tell you one more thing. So I'm actually going to get another Craftsman garage door opener, but I can't tell you what type of Craftsman garage door opener is until it arrives. But it's actually coming in the mail, and it should be arriving here in a couple days, and I'll tell you what it looks like if you see the video of it on YouTube, and I'll show you what it is. I'm actually going to show you that in my phone, unless if you want to see it through my HP camera. By the way, I'm using an HP Photosmart camera that I forgot to tell you earlier. And that's all that I wanted to say. Alright, hope you enjoy this video of these 2 Craftsman garage door openers. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.